Hi there, I'm going to show you how to play Lucas Graham's hit last year, which is called 7 Years. So this song consists of actually just the four chords and the verses. I'm going to show you the verses in this lesson, and if we get enough requests and enough likes, then I will do a second video on how to do the next part of the song. So effectively, really, there's only a few chords, I should say, to the whole song. So we're going to need four chords to start off with. Going to be E minor, G, C major to a D. So if you know the song, you'll know that the verse is quite, it's not fast, but it isn't slow either. It's quite a neutral kind of tempo. So, but for the pattern of the strumming is not going to be, it's going to be quite delicate and quite elegant. So if you're a beginner player, I recommend just strumming each chord between each word and where the chord changes are. So I'm not sure what the lyrics are to the song, and I apologise, but I do know part of the first verse. So here we go then. So it just gives you an idea of what it sounds like between each chord and between each progression in the song. So, once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go get yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. And again. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go get yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. So you'll notice that there was a slight gap there on the second part of the first verse, where he simply stops singing and you continue with the chords. So I'll show you that again just to make sure that you also understand what I'm talking about. So, once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, get yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. So on the C and the D chords there, you're not singing nothing. That's pretty much the end of that segment of the song. So you're going to come to a part now where there's a slight deviation in chords. Now, it's where he says something along the lines of, it's a big, big world. So the chords you're going to need for that part, you're going to start on an E minor, as you do for the first verse. We're going to be going to a D chord, and then back to our G chord again. So it goes, it's a big, big world. And there's something along the lines of, I've got some children or something like that. That part is pretty much the same as the verse. So, it's a big, big world. And it goes back to the initial verse part again, which is E minor to G, C to D. So, here we go again. So, once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go get yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It's a big, big world. Something, not sure the lyrics there, as I was just explaining to you, but that's pretty much the verses. There's no real chorus to the song, so I mean, it's just those chords, but in certain different orders. So just to clarify everything and sum everything up for you. So you've got E minor. If you want to write these down and pause the video, feel free. So you've got E minor, G, C major, and D major for your verse, and a kind of little transition type fill part for the next bit, which was E minor, D to G. So thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something in this lesson. If you've got any questions for me, let me know in the comments section, and I will get back to you ASAP, basically. Any other questions for me, comment section, email, as just said to you. And I'll speak to you soon. I'll see you soon.